The Bayraktar TB2 is a tactical armed UAV system developed and manufactured by BAYKAR, a highly sophisticated design that provides all solutions that operator may need in one integrated system. The system consists of Bayraktar TB2 armed UAV platform, ground control station, ground data terminal, remote display terminal, advanced base with generator and trailer modules. Thanks to BAYKAR's technological accumulation and capabilities, the entire system is produced indigenously. And what are the advanced features of Bayraktar TB2? Fully automatic navigation and route tracking feature, precise auto takeoff and landing with built-in sensor fusion, fully automatic taxi and parking feature, semi-autonomous flight mode support, fault-tolerant and 3 redundant sensor fusion application, cross-redundant YKI system, unique redundant servo actuator units, unique redundant lithium-based battery units. So what are the specifications of the famous Bayraktar TB2? Okay, communication range 300 kilometers, travel at maximum speed of 120 knots, payload capacity 150 kilograms, payload ISR, switchable EO, IR, LD or multi-purpose AESA radar, payload munitions 4 laser guided smart ammunition, fuel capacity 300 liters, takeoff and landing track automatic, maximum takeoff weight 700 kilograms, endurance 27 hours, wingspan 12 meters, height 2.2 meters, length 6.5 meters, thrust type 105 horsepower internal combustion injection engine, operational maximum altitude between 18,000 and 25,000 feet.